How to fix automatic repair loop in Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for troubleshoot, or simply go to settings and search troubleshoot, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on additional troubleshooters, then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Windows Update, then run the troubleshooters. It will detect problems in your Windows Update. If you have any problems, click on the files and simply end it or uninstall it. If you have no problem, you can click on OK and you're good to go. After that, you can simply go to search bar again and search for this PC. Search this PC and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on local disk and then go to properties. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. After that, simply click on disk cleanup. You can select files you want to delete and simply click on cleanup and it will clean up. And then your problem will be fixed after restarting your device. And that's how you fix automatic repair loop in Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.